This is a typical installation at any bar for an AndroBar system. As you can see, the tablet on the left, the donut with its support, and if we look underneath, we'll see the black box. I want to show you the connections on the black box. So in the back on the left hand side, we see the power. This is the power plug here. This is the DB9 serial cable. And in the front, we have the donut, which we can see is basically goes in only one way, screwed in. There are a possibility of 4 mounting screws, 1 on each corner of the black box. And preferably we want the black box mounted under the bar far back enough so that no liquid, can get to it, although it's pretty liquid tight. Underneath, this is the mounting for the donut support. So we have the possibility of multiple ways to mount it, but this is one of the ways. We can mount it close to the tablet. We can mount it away from the tablet, as long as it's in the vicinity of your bottles, as you can see here. And the donut basically can also be angled. So you can see here, you can angle it further back, you can angle it forward, depending the best position. The tablet is mounted again on its support. I'll take you to the back. Take a look at the back of the tablet. So we have 4 mounting screws that you can hopefully see here on the back of the tablet. And then we have the tablet mounted underneath the bar. There are many holes available on the bottom of the mounting bracket. And what we want to do after we mount it is all the cables, there should be about 3 cables in total. We want to get these cables from the back side. If you can see here, they're coming up here. And we want to come out of this hole in the middle. And then we want to mount it in the proper place underneath the tablet. We have the power on the right hand side, and we have the black box connector here. And if we look a bit under, we're also going to see the Ethernet cable, which is connected right there. So that is basically how a generic, or in most cases, this is the kind of installation that we do. Thank you.